So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing look number 2 using the Tann Beauty This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette, and make sure you check out look number 1 and the palette's review linked above and down in the description bar, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's start off. The first step, I'm going to curl my lashes using the Vega eyelash curler, and I'm going to give it about 7 to 8 pumps. I'm going to be using PAC Ice Quad brushes, and this is ES03, and I'm going to take the color Blow a Kiss and go above my crease. So I first start by placing the color, and then I just start to blend it by making small circular motions. So I'm going to take the ES02 brush and pick up a little bit of nude and go above Blow a Kiss. This helps to make the color look a lot more diffused and blended. I'm going to use the crease blending brush and pick a little bit of Pow Wow and go all along my crease. This helps to make it a little more defined and add a little more of dimension to my look. Make sure that you blend well between Pow Wow and Blow a Kiss. So next up, I'm going to use the shade Coal on a detailed blending brush and go right into my outer V. And alongside it, I'm just going to take the color slowly towards my crease just to deepen it and make it look a lot more dimensional. So using a small shader brush, I'm going to pick the shade Hoo Ha and go right across my lid. I'm going to cover 2/3 of my lid and take it all the way up to my crease. Make sure that you go in a patting motion to get like the complete opacity of the color on your lid. Going back to the small blending brush and Pow Wow, I'm going to just slightly blur out the edges to make it look a lot more cohesive. To make my lash line smoky, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow on a wing liner brush and go right through my lash line. You don't have to be very precise with the line, as we're going to be buffing it out in the next step. So taking a very small detailed pencil brush, I'm going to go right on top of the black shade and just start smudging it out into the green shade. This helps to make your lash line look a lot more smoky and smudgy. I'm going to use the same brush to do my lower lash line. I'm going to use the crease blending brush and just go right below my lash line to smoke it out and just blend it to my skin. So next up, we're going to do a step that I usually hate doing, which is to apply kohl in my waterline, and that makes my eyes water. I'm going to use a very small detailed brush and take the golden shade from the palette and apply it to my inner corner. This helps in highlighting your inner corner and bringing in a lot more dimension to your eyes. So we're almost done, and I'm going to do about 2 to 3 coats of mascara in my upper and my lower lashes just for a little extra volume. To make it even more voluminous, I'm going to use the KOL lashes in the style Amy, and voila, this completes the look. Do let me know which other palette you would want me to review and do more looks from, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Until next time, bye!